you go, God's still here, waiting with open arms to handle you with care. Use the apple in his eye, no joke, I can't deny that he loved you so much. He sent his son to come and die for that same sin that made you feel condemned, feeling like you couldn't talk to him. Reach your hands to the sky and thank God you alive, and realize he's the reason that you open your eyes. Best believe everything the devil say is a lie. God is always there for you, he ain't hard to find. You gotta know, you can never be too far to come back, so come back home.
God sees you cry, he wants to know, so let him know what's on your mind. Tell him how you're feeling, tell him what you're dealing with, and it'll be alright.
I wrote a rhyme that I wanted to send your way, letting you know that it's never too late until it's too late. There's a place you gotta get, late nights getting lost in the thought of it. Everyone says you're on the wrong track, and every day feels like full contact combat. It's hard to calm down, you got questions and have not found the answers. You're satisfied with living righteous, doesn't sit right in your mind. As time ticks, you realize God loves you, you're not alone. So confess it to him and come back home.
God sees you cry, he wants to know, so let him know what's on your mind. Tell him how you're feeling, tell him what you're dealing with, and it'll be alright. It seems that you're so far, but you're so close. I'm going through a lot of stuff, and Lord, you know